checkbox filter. Check 1 onto the workspace. It is similar as radio button filter. Let's see the generic, the property here. Here have the separator extra. Here means you can select the more values at the same time and separate the value with separator. Okay, let's set the ID first. Product and the title. Product and default value is 3, and you can customize the comma as separator and a single quotation as delimiter. Single quotation marks as delimiter. Okay. And the data source also choose the JNDI and the sample data. And input a query. Select distinct product from sold. Will year equal a variable value? Year. And select the product as y-axis and x-axis and y-axis, and the year, choose the year and press apply. Select the distinct product from. Okay, sorry about this. Product, so yes, okay, press apply. Now there are 3 kinds of products appear: notebook, camera, and headset. Okay, next we introduce the common box filter. Check 1. Okay, this is the common box. This is a multiple choice. It's similar as the we talked about before, the checkbox filter. Okay, let's see the generic property here. So we set sold as ID and title. Just keep the default value, delimiter, and the layout. And we just look at the data source here. JNDI simulator is the same as before. And input, select distinct sold from product. Sold will year equal the variable value. Oops. Okay, and we add a quarter variable value. This is the different part. But okay, and select so set the sold as x and y axis, and year choose year, quarter choose quarter, and press apply. So you can see the number here. This is the combo box filter. This filter quotes year and quarter as condition, and the sold value will be refreshed by yearly. Okay, let's see checkbox filter. Okay, the last filter, date field filter. Okay, you can select the date in this filter here. Yeah. So we set ID as date, title as date, and you also can customize the format, the format, date format in format stream here, and the date setting also can be done in data source. It is same as other filters. Here we do not talk in details. Okay. You can insert a variable value like here $year to quote other filter as a condition. The filter makes other component to refresh the data at real time. Now I will show an example to display the data refreshed by a filter in other component. Now we open a sample we saved before, a checkbox filter. Okay, we use the test input filter here and the checkbox filter. The default value is the first, the second, and the third quarter. So you can see the first 3 quarter data in column chart. You also can select the fourth. Now you can see the 4 quarters in column chart. Of course, you also can set the default like just only one, not just only one. The first quarter value appears. Okay, let's see the details. The test input filter ID is year filter, title same as before, and the checkbox filter ID is quarter filter, and the title is quarter. Default value you can set it by itself, and the circle, the query here, same as before we did in the designer, and x-axis quarter, y-axis. Yeah. Okay, let's see the column chart data source here. So the query here, select the product quarter sold from product sold where year equal a variable value. Here is year, and the quarter in a variable value again. The quarter is the variable value ordered by the product year quarter, and the x-axis is product here, camera, handset, notebook, and y-axis is sold 10,000 yuan, and series here means the quarter, the first quarter, second quarter, the third quarter, the green one, and the fourth quarter. Yeah. Okay, and year here is the variable value. We choose year filter as year and the quarter filter as quarter. So all the value will be changed, will be refreshed by which you select. Okay, now let's run and operate in browser. Let's see, let's check it out. Okay, now you can see the sold in 2011, and the default value as we set to the 4 quarters before, so it appears all quarters. You also can change it here. Same in designer. Okay, that's all. Thank you.